Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today, a great personality is with us, is from Chennai. Now he is going to introduce. Please introduce yourself, sir. Gopinath, sir.
Thank you, Govind sir. This is Gopi. I'm from Chennai and I'm working as a team manager in a BPO. And I've been in this field for around 15 years. So that's all about me. It's a very short introduction.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your great introduction. You have been working as a team manager in BPO for the last 15 years. It's a wonderful thing, sir. So you're doing a great job and good job, excellent. But why do you want to interact like this? And why do you want to develop your communication skills? And what is the motto behind your interaction? Or please tell about your journey, sir.
So I have a strong passion to learn English, and when it comes to English, it is a journey rather than destination, right?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
even for the good speakers, there are some areas of improvement. So we have to learn continuously. There is no end to it. So that is the reason why I chose this platform. I interact with different people over here, and I enhance my communication skills.
Nice, sir. So many people, those who wants to develop their communication skills, they have been watching many videos. They have been just training, taking some training from other institutions. Even though there are a lot of tricks and tips are there how to develop communication skills. Even though, so today we are going to talk over only one thing, sir. What is the most important thing, and which will help to improve our communication skills, and which will improve our spoken language ability that we are going to discuss, sir. So, do you have an idea regarding communication skills and how to develop communication skills? So that's the most important topic. Many new learners they want to learn, they want to develop. So they know the everything. They know the grammar, they know the syntax, structure, vocabulary, pronunciation, accent, everything. But till they feel just a fear to face, to fight with the English language, till they have the stammering and hesitation and the shaking and breaking and they're cracking all the things. So how to overcome this thing? And today we're going to talk about only one important thing: what makes a person to be a great fluent speaker, sir? Yes. What is your
Okay.
idea, sir?
So this question is simple, but the answer is not very simple because um, each and everyone have a unique ability, and each and everyone have different capacities also. The thing which works for me will not work for you, right? Which works for me will not work for others also. So I choose some different ways, and if I suggest those things, it might not work, and they choose
Yeah.
different ways to improve their communication skills. Some people, they listen to some they listen to radio, or some people watch YouTube videos, and see some people read. Right, and some people read a lot of novels to improve their communication skills. So it depends upon you. Whichever is working for you, you can use it to improve your communication skills. And for me, I prefer reading because I like reading. I read a lot. So whenever I find something which is very interesting, not only the books like newspaper or whatever article or magazine, whatever it might be, I used to read those because I have strong passion of learning. And whenever I'm coming across any new words or such, I will look into it in the dictionary and try to improve my vocabulary. That is what I do. Yeah.
Yes, sir. What you told is exact correct, sir. But many people they read a lot, but they till they have some problems when they're just facing in communication. So
Correct.
they are not that much confident when they want to communicate something, when they want to translate their ideas. So even though they are very good readers, so what stops him to be a good speaker? Even though they are very good readers, yeah.
So I've seen a lot of people like that. Especially, I know a person who's a very good. Who has very good vocabulary. He knows
Yes,
new vocabulary and very tough vocabulary. And because he used to read a lot of newspapers and he wrote a lot of articles also. But when it comes to communication skills, he cannot speak fluently. That is a problem. And most of them are doing that, having that problem. Um, My thoughts was like if someone is reading a lot, okay, they can improve their writing skills.
Yes, yes.
So I would suggest them to listen a lot. They should listen how the speaker speaks and how the orators speak through YouTube videos or any other media, and try to imitate them. And unless until we speak, we cannot improve our spoken English skills.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, what you
So
told, sir.
if
Yes.
someone is reading, they can improve their written English skills, right? So as well as if someone is listening and speaking, they can improve their spoken English skills. So that is what my idea is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because the confidence is important, sir. Because some they have some phobia, Anglophobia maybe, or fear of speaking in front of a small group, or in fear of speaking on stage, off stage. They have some fears, and so that can be a difference upon the confident. So because lack of confidence, they can't speak it out, even though they have the knowledge. So and how to build confidence. So that is the targeted goal, sir. Because if you develop a confidence. If anyone who wants to talk English language very well and who want to communicate good, they have to develop confidence. So how one can develop confidence is we have to do whatever you feel to do. We have to do. One has to do whatever you feel to do. That by fighting the fear and facing the fear, and what will happen? So by gradually, little by little, slowly, you will develop our confidence level. So when anyone who develops the confidence level, they can speak anything, but it doesn't happen
Exactly.
in a overnight. So it takes a lot of rigorous training, a lot of
Exactly.
practice. Yes, sir. Yes.
So as you said, there are only two chances in life. Okay, either flight or fight, as
Yes.
per the
Yes.
psychology, right? So whenever you are facing the fear, you can run away from it or you can face it. The fear will disappear. So I would suggest, those who have fear, they should try to move towards the fear.
Yes.
I mean, move towards the problem. Automatically, that fear will run away from you. That
Yes.
problem will run away from you. If you run away from the problem will chase you. So that is what
Yes.
my idea is all about.
So, sir, today, and
Bye.
I can conclude. Today, I can conclude our session, our just entire our communication, what we have done so far. So, only the one method, only the one thing, only the one important factor, that is confidence. So, when anybody who wants to develop communication skills and effectively, efficiently, effortlessly, like a natural, yes, like a native. So one has to develop confidence. With that confidence, one can excel, one can expertise, one can excellent, one can experience all the things. So one has to immerse in that language. They have to practice like their mother tongue. It can be possible only developing confidence. It can be developed only by rigorous practice, daily practice, and only then can one can become a great speaker. So this is my idea. This is our conclusion, sir. Okay, those who want to develop communication to be a great speaker, and one has to develop confidence and consistency with a good content. Content is important, the consistency is important, and the confidence is important. So with these three important things, the main factor is confidence. Anybody can excel their excellency in communication skills. Okay, sir, Gopinath sir, thank you for
Thank you.
your presence, and thank you for your good suggestions and great advices towards English communication skills. Thank you for coming my live session. Thank you sparing your time. Thank you making aware of everything regarding how to develop communication skills, how to develop confidence level, how to develop one's fluency. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. Thank you. Bye.